Your Honor,
Counsel?
before the prosecution proceeds with the question, may we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
Yes, counsel. Either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is this AI? Your
I mean,
Honor?
Yes, of course. That is simulated.
Okay.
Is this
we don't-
AI?
Wait.
Kaya pagbigyan nyo na ho sila mga kababayan, pagbigyan nyo na ho mga aliporas nito si Martin Romualdez. Kaya nagpakita pa sila ng mga pera, nagpakita pa sila ng AI simulation kung gaano karami yung 125 million. Nauna na ho dyan mga kababayan, nakita na ho kasi na sambay ng Pilipino kung gaano karaming pera ang idiniliber di umano sa bahay ni Martin Romualdez, Erwin Tulfo, Sandro Marcos, at marami sa mga matataas na opisyal dito sa administrasyon na to. Kaya, yung pera na yan, hayaan nyo lang ho sila. Ang tanong, may 16 vote na ba sila diyan sa impeachment ni VP Sara? Ang tanong, magkano na tayo dito sa ika-16th day ng impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte? Sa mga hindi pa ho nakaalam, na na tayo, 425 million pesos. Isang like at isang subscribe. Masaya na ho tayo dyan sa mga gusto sumali sa ating community. Yung join button nandiyan lang ho sa baba. Huling bahagi ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte ngayong araw na Lunes, August 17, 2026. Ito, panoorin ho natin. Tuloy natin. Ligutan. Pasok. Ito si Ligutan. Pagpasensya nyo na ho, mahilig din ho siya sa backdoor. Yan. Yan ang hilig niya. Yan yung mga salitang hilig niya. Backdoor, ganyan. Hindi ko malaman. Bakit ang hilig sa backdoor nitong mama na to?
Can you describe for us, to give us a mental picture, how big the pile of 125 million pesos in cold cash is? Ipa-describe.
Sorry sir ha, pero dili kayo ko well-versed sa mga
Well-versed.
measurement.
We
Pero
will help you.
nakasulod siya sa, nakalagay siya sa box.
Okay.
Ah,
Yeah, okay.
na nakabandal tag 1
One-
million ang isa ka bundle nga nakaputos, nakabalot og cellophane na silyo pa, silyado pa. Tama po.
Sinasabi mo, ma'am, na hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Tama po ba? Di ba? Now, I will show you a simulated representation of 125 million pesos. Sinabi mo 1,000 peso bill, di ba? Show that to the screen, please.
I'm sorry.
You tell the public, ma'am. If you
Bira na. 100. Ito mga kababayan, 11 days dito. 425 million, 16 days. Pambira,
yung nakita
oh.
mong 125 million pesos in cold cash.
Your Honor,
Wait. Not done.
Counsel, to finish the question,
Yeah, okay.
Attorney
Mhm.
Bacuel.
Can you please confirm if the cold cash you saw 125 million pesos, do they look like that?
Your Honor.
Counsel?
Before the prosecution proceeds with the question, may we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
Yes, counsel. Either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is this AI? Your
I mean,
Honor?
Yes, of course. That is simulated.
Okay.
Is this
we
AI?
don't, wait. Because we don't have 125 million.
Meron, wala daw. Tanungin mo si Martin Romualdez. Tanungin mo si Eric Sylvester. Meron sila dalawang maleta lang yan eh. Hindi. Tag 50 million yung isang maleta. O tatlong maleta. O 150 million
Million
meron sila. Ikaw
pesos
talaga.
in cold cash. So we had to resort to technology.
Is that, Your Honor, artificial intelligence? Is this AI?
Yes.
Generated?
Yes.
Councils, if you will allow the presiding officer. Ma'am Gina, sabi niyo nakalagay po sa kahon, tigi 1,000 bundle. Ilang kahon po?
Napumupuso niyan yung mata ni Erwin Tulfo. Grabe, ang daming pera niyan. Doon sa basement mo, magpunta ka doon.
2, Your Honor.
Gaano kalaki po yung kahon? Gamitin niyo po yung kamay niyo. Gaano kataas po? Gaano kataas? Gaano kataas po? Yung kamay niyo po sa baba, pakipat yan para makita po namin. Ganyan kataas at ganito kalapad? Kasing lapad po ng witness stand? 125 million po yan. 2 kahong ganyan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Binilang niyo po ba? Tinanggal niyo po ba mula sa kahon o hindi na?
Tinanggal po sa kahon, Your Honor.
Pagkatanggal niyo sa kahon, binalik niyo ba sa kahon?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Saan niyo na nilagay?
Nilagay ko po sa aking 4 na bag.
Ito po yung duffel bag.
Parang traveling bag po, Your Honor, na oblong.
Traveling bag, 4 pong gano'n.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
May proceed, Your Honor.
Your witness, counsel.
Sinabi mo, ma'am, na yung...
Apat, 125 million. Ibig sabihin, yung sinasabi ng mga maleta boys ni Saldico na yung 100 million minsan 2, 3 maleta lang. Kasi ito 3, 4 na na bag. Maliliit lang yung bag, ito maleta. Ibig sabihin talaga kailangan pakulong yung mga nagnakaw sa Cabanatuan Sambayanan.
125 million pesos nakabundle into 1,000 peso bills. Sa isang bundle is 1 million pesos. Again, para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi pa nakakita, how does a 1 million pile is?
Counsel, is that an actual thing again or a reproduction?
Meron naman kayo naman. Ang laki ng pondo nyo, dapat tinutuon nyo na.
Your Honor,
Yes, while you're showing the witness, Attorney Bakel.
may we just interpose an objection as regards presenting the witness those props, Your Honor, in as much as the parties are uncertain, the defense is uncertain as to how is that an accurate representation of what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
I will ask that question, Your Honor, please.
Before I rule on the objection, yes, counsel, ask your question. And kindly don't cover Miss Gina.
I'm so sorry. Ma'am, sinabi mo yung 125 billion pesos nakapile by 1 million peso each. Tama po ba?
Opo.
And then, yung bills ginamit is 1,000. Tama po ba? Sinabi mo hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Doon sabi mo, di ba? Kaya nga, eto yung simulated 10 bundles. The size is similar to 1,000 peso bills. Ma'am, yung is
Sanay na humawak ng milyones itong si Libutan. Kano kaya sweldo ni Libutan
isang
mo?
milyon. Pwede niyo pong hawakan if you want. If you want lang, ha? Ay, lagi dagan, ma'am, ha? Now, yung 1 million pesos, kamukha ba ng isang bundle na ito?
Your Honor,
Wait.
Is that your question, Attorney
Yes.
Ligutan? Yes, Attorney Bakel.
Your Honor, we manifest that upon the examination of assisting counsel, these appear to be just blue-colored lengthwise papers wrapped in plastic with 10 bundles each. How is this an accurate representation of the size of
Can I
whatever
respond
the
to that?
prosecution claims to be, Your Honor? They are yet
Well-
to lay the proper basis as regards this, Your
Counsel
Honor.
claims it's a mere simulation.
Yes.
If that
Yes.
is an objection, counsel, I will have to overrule the objection. Witness will please answer. Ma'am, parang ganyan po ba yung bundle ng tigi 1,000 withdraw ninyo?
Hindi ko maintindihan. Ngayon, ano issue kung ganyan kalalaki yung bundle ng tag-1,000 winidraw nila? Anong problema? Iharap mo dyan yung mga di umana Mary Grace Piatos, magharap kayo ng tao na nakalagay doon na di nabigyan pero nakalagay yung pangalan, doon tayo mag-usap-usap. Pero dito, para saan? Di ko gets.
Ay, Your Honor, may I know po kung ito po ay is this 100,000?
Yes.
This one? Is this
Ma'am,
100,000?
I think we did
Sa
not-
pagkakaalala niyo
Ang lambing ni Mama, ito si Mama Gina Acosta, 100,000.
po, kung tagi-1,000 po yan,
Yes.
10 bundle ng tagi-1,000 na ang kabuuan ay 1,000,000 sa isang balot ng plastic. Ganyan po ba yung itsura ng inyong winidraw? Yung bundle po yung bundle.
Basta nakabalot lang po siya ng silupin, Your Honor, tapos binilang po namin.
Ma'am, when you say cellophane, plastic.
Plastic.
Ito, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, so ganyan po yung size.
Oo, nakasilyo po, Your Honor.
Bagong pera po ba? Lumang pera?
Bagong pera po, Your Honor.
Okay, so mga ganyan nga po yung size. Yun lang ang tinatanong sa inyo ni Atty. Ligutan. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung bigat, yung hugis.
We'll go into the weight later.
Halos ganyan po ba?
Ganito po, Your Honor.
Next administration ganyan din gagawin natin kung gaano karaming pera, gaano kabigat, diba? Yung pera na nasa maleta. Okay lang yan nyo na, pagbigyan nyo na.
Honor, basta nakabalot po siya ng silupin.
Ma'am, kayo naman. Makita niyo naman kung
Parang
halos parehas Para halos parehas po ba? Yun lang ganun kasimple yung tanong.
May similarity gamay, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kag may manggod siya, lapad-lapad man ang kwarta.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, Madam Witness. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 125 of these bundles, correct? Yung nakita nyo sa hapon na yun, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Hindi naman sa pag-aano hindi naman sa pag-aano kasi mula nung nag-umpisa tong impeachment na to, ba't parang hindi na tumigil ang ulan? 'Di ba? Parang merong something no. But nag-impeachment tayo, walang humpay yung pag-alarm ng mga telepono, mga cellphone, 'di ba, yung mga warning. Anong meron? Bakit ganyan? Meron ba sinasabi sa atin ng tadhana na tigilan nyo yan? Meron tayong problemang dapat pagtuunan ng pansin. Flood control, baha na ang buong Pilipinas, buong Luzon. Nandyan pa rin kayo. Bundle ng pera pinag-uusap. Ligutan,
Ba?
Unsa?
Yun yung nakita nyo sa
Yeah.
bangko na in-encash ng Office of the Vice President. Cash, cold cash. Sa hapon na yun. Tama po ba?
Ano po? 125 million po to, Your Honor, ang nakita nako. Among giihap.
Yes.
Gibilang po namin, Your Honor.
Yeah, 125.
Your
And then-
Honor,
Just to clarify, Gina, before Attorney Bakel, before I recognize you, bundle count lang po ang ginawa niyo.
Bundle count po, Your
Hindi niyo
Honor.
na po binuksan yung cellophane na sinasabi niyo, yung plastic, binilang niyo na lang po, 125 yung ganun.
Hindi na po, Your Honor. Nakasilyo po kasi siya, Your Honor.
So binilang niyo na nga lang po, 125 na ganun.
Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi na isa-isa. Hindi niyo na binilang isa-isa yung bill. Yung tigi 1,000.
Dili natin
Hindi na po.
Hindi
Okay.
na.
Attorney Bakel, yes. What is your comment or objection?
Your Honor, may we respectfully ask if the props could already be removed, Your Honor, as it's not necessary for the testimony of the witness.
It is, Your Honor. It is.
Are you
very
done yet
much.
with that with your
Not yet, Your
simulation
Honor.
counsel?
Not yet.
Okay.
Now,
Wind it up.
yes. Now, I'm sure, Madam Witness, with your figure, kanang imong kadakon sa lawas, ma'am, you would not be able to bring yung kadami-daming 125 million pesos in cold cash na iyan. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Now, who were with you in the bank yung moment na iyan?
Your Honor, ibig sabihin pa kung sinong kasama ko pagpunta sa bangko.
Yung nasa bangko na, sa loob ng bangko, kaharap yung 125 million pesos in cold cash. Sino yung kasama mo from the Office of the Vice President kung meron man?
Your Honor, before the
Yes,
witness
Attorney
may
Bacal.
answer, Your Honor, the question of the prosecution is totally unrelated to the use of the props, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
May we
I
just
am
request,
going
Your
there.
Honor? I'm still not finished. May we just the defense respectfully request, Your Honor, that these be removed until the relevant question is interposed, considering
So we
that the witness has the right to be respected as well in the
Wait.
proceedings, Your
I
Honor.
think I
offense
see,
to that.
Attorney Bakel, I think the court sees well, Attorney Ligutan is getting to, get to it, Attorney Ligutan.
Yes. Okay,
Miss
now,
Gina, may kasama po ba kayong ibang tao mula sa OVP nung pinikap niyo yung pera?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Sino po?
Si Asik Ortonio po, Your Honor.
Okay, Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
okay now, walang membro ng VP SPG, okay, yung kasama nyo, yung Vice Presidential Special Protection Group, kasama nyo sa loob ng bangkong iyan. Tama po ba?
Wala, Your Honor, pero ang aming driver po ay member po ng BPSPG.
Yes, ma'am. Now, even with such large amount of money, hindi nyo naisipan na mag-request ng isang or maraming escort.
Pambira ang chip naman nun, Attorney Ligutan. Bilyonis nga, iniiwan lang sa parking lot ng Diamond Hotel tapos yan 25 million magpapaano.
Na sasama sa inyo sa bangko tsaka lalabas with those bills. Tama po ba?
Ang corny, ang
Objection,
corny.
Your Honor, argumentative.
Oh, Your Honor.
Overruled, counsel. Witness will answer.
Ang gisama ko po, Your Honor, nakisuyo po ako, nasamahan po ako ni Asik Ortonio.
Ortonio lang.
Nakiusap ka, nasamahan ka ni Asik Ortonio.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
How did you bring out of the bank yun yung that 125 million pesos?
Your Honor, po di ulitin ang question.
Okay, paano nyo inilabas ng bangko yung 125 million pesos na iyan?
May tumulong po sa akin, Your Honor.
Oh. Okay now. Sino yung tumulong sa inyo?
Yung security
Okay
ng
na.
land bank po, Your Honor.
This is the question now. Okay. Yung 125 million pesos na iyan, did you put it into bags or you brought them out one by one?
Nailagay po yun sa 4 na bag, Your Honor.
4 na bag. So, hindi po hand carry lang yung bills na yan.
Hindi, Your
Okay, so
Honor.
now we will give in to what the defense wants, Your Honor, please. Having been satisfied that this person cannot bring out of the bank using her own 2 hands these bills, no, we can now. Attorney J,
Assisting
you
counsel.
may now remove.
Propaganda ho yan, propaganda.
Proceed, counsel.
Okay, now, you said you put them sa mga traveling bags. Ilang bags? 4 po, di ba?
4, Your Honor.
Can you describe to us yung size ng mga traveling bags na ito?
Ganito, Your Honor.
Ganyan.
Paoblong.
Okay, now. Okay, paublong. I will show you now representation of 125 million pesos inside 4 traveling bags. Ito yung tanong now. Okay. 4 traveling bags with bills, 1,000 peso bills inside them. Yung hapon na yun, ma'am, maalala nyo ba, Miss Gina F. Acosta,
Lang kwenta.
kung yung na-withdraw nyo na 125 million pesos na isinilid nyo sa 4 traveling bags, do they look like this?
Before you
Please-
answer,
please flash on
Gina,
screen.
counsel for respondent?
Your Honor, we interpose the same objection as regards the use of AI-generated imagery, Your Honor, without laying the proper basis as to how it accurately represents what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
No,
It has no basis, Your Honor.
The
and-
court will simply note the objection of counsel, and counsel, the court will also take note of your continuing objection with respect to the use of AI-generated representations
Yeah.
of what he is asking the witness about. If it shows closely or not, what bag she used to bring out the 125 million.
Opo.
With your permission, counsel, court will note your continuing objection, the use of AI representations.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Counsel will please, witness will please answer, Ma'am Gina. Parang ganyan po ba yung 4 na bag na pinaglagyan nyo?
Hindi ganyan, Your Honor, kasi ang opening niyan is round.
Opo.
Yun po.
Ang sa akin, ang dinala ko po na bag is pag ganun po ang zipper.
Pahaba. Yung kabuuan ng bag. Okay, number 1, yun ang isang pagkakaiba. Kulay,
Kulay black.
pareho. At 4 na bag, kumasa yung 125.
4 po na bag, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay.
Hindi nakakapagtaka yun. Yung 100 million nga, 2 maleta lang eh.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, in putting the bills inside the bag, okay, sino ba yung tumulong sa paglalagay ng mga bills, yung 1,000 peso bills, sa mga bags na ito? Sino yung gumawa niyan?
Ako po, Your Honor, ang naglagay ng mga pera sa bag.
Alright. May membro ba ng VPSPG na tumulong sa iyo sa paglalagay ng mga bills na yan sa bag?
Wala, Your Honor.
Then, how long did it take for you to put all the 125 million pesos into the bags?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
Maaalala niyo po ba, kasi sa kayo naglagay doon, maaalala niyo po ba gaano ba kabigat yung isang bag containing piles of 1,000 peso bills piled into 1 million each?
Basta mabigat po, Your
Mabigat.
Honor.
What about 30 kilograms per bag? Kung maalala mo.
Di ko exactly maalala, Your Honor.
Alright. Ikaw ba ay nagkarga ng isa sa mga 4 bags na ito?
Wala, Your Honor.
Oh, so sino yung nagkarga?
Bali, ganito po. Yung kung ang pera ay nandiyon na sa lahat na nailagay na po sa 4 na bag. Sa dihang on a while na ilabas ko na po, Your Honor, tumulong po sa akin ang 2 security guard, Your Honor. Ginano nila, Your Honor, papunta sa entrance ng bangko kung saan naghintay po ang aming sasakyan, Your Honor. Tapos ako, Your Honor, nagtanaw sa 2 ka security, Your Honor.
Alright. Now, what about Libel Ortonio? Ano ba yung ginawa?
Wala na, iniwan niya na yung punto na yun kasi napaliwanag nitong si Madam Acosta. Oh.
Niya kung meron man sa paglalabas ng 4 bags containing 125 million pesos in cold cash? May naitulong ba si Ginoong Libel Ortonio?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. Again, walang escorts, no request for escort. Di po ba?
Wala, pero ang amo ang driver, Your Honor, is a member of BPSPG.
Isang driver.
2, Your Honor.
2
2
drivers. Okay. Aside from these 2 drivers, yung tanong ko is, aside from the 2 drivers, walang ibang membro ng BPSPG.
As in answered, Your Honor.
As an answer,
Okay.
counsel.
What time did you leave the bank?
Ano, Your Honor?
Anong oras kayo lumabas ng bangko?
Di ko exactly maalala, Your Honor.
Mhm. Hindi Hindi mo maalala. Now, galing sa trolley, di ba? Papunta ng mga sasakyan. Okay? Sino yung nag-transfer ng mga bags na yan?
Misleading, Your Honor. There's no testimony as to the trolley.
I
or-
did hear trolley as well,
I
Counsel.
will reform, Your Honor.
Sinabi na nga kanina eh. Yung dalawang security guard binitbit ng ganito papunta sa labas tapos ilinagay sa sakyan. Eto naman.
Now,
Ligutan
sino ba yung
naman. Kahit ayoko naman mag-react, mapapareact ako sa iyo eh. Binibigyan na nga kita ng liway dito sa PH update, ganyan ka pa.
transfer galing sa bangko papuntahan sa sasakyan, okay, ng 4 bags na yan.
Ask and answer, Your
Ask
Honor.
and answer.
Attorney Gina, with the indulgence of counsels, sabi niyo wala kayong binuhat sa 4 na bag. Tama po?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala
Kadili
rin
ko
binuhat
kadaog.
wala rin binuhat si Ginoong Ortonio sa 4 na bag.
Wala sa Your Honor.
Ang nagbuhat, 2 security guard ng bangko.
Sila po ang tumulong sa, sila Your Honor.
Tig 2 bag ang binuhat nila o may trolley silang ginamit?
Di kayo ko ka-remember kung nagamit sila og trolley, Your Honor. Ang ma-remember ko, Your Honor, gidrag nila ang duha ka bag. Tapos,
They drug it.
2 bag kada guard.
opo, Your Honor.
Mhm.
Isahang labasan yung 4 na bag.
Sabay po sila, Your Honor. At nandun po ako, Your Honor, nagsunod-sunod sa ila, nagtanaw, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Okay. Your
Alright.
witness.
Nagsunod-sunod, ibig sabihin sinundan niya tapos nagtanaw-tanaw, ay bantay-bantay niyan, ganon. Naiintindihan ho natin yan.
Counsel.
Now, so paano nyo transfer, dinala yung 4 bags na yan galing Land Bank Shaw Boulevard papunta sa pinuntahan nyo after that?
Gisakay.
Sinakay sa
Amo ang service, Your Honor.
service. Pag sinabing service, ibig yung sabihin, sasakyan.
Opo.
Ilang sasakyan kung meron man?
2, Your Honor.
Kaninong sasakyan yung pinagsakyan ng perang iyan?
Sa OBP, Your Honor.
OVP. Sumakay ka ba sa similar sa parehong sasakyan together with Lemuel Ortonio?
Ako nagsakay sa isang sasakyan, Your Honor. Tapos si Ortonio po nagsakay sa isang sasakyan, Your Honor.
Saan kayo nagpunta after that?
Nagpunta po kami sa office po ng OBP.
Office of the Vice President. Anong oras kayo dumating doon? If at all?
Mga nakaabot mi dito mga 4.
Umabot kami doon
plus
at 4.
konti.
Okay, 4 or 4 o'clock ng konti?
4 plus ng
4 plus
hapon.
ng hapon. 4 plus ng hapon. Who assisted you, kung meron man, in transferring the bags from the cars to the office of the Vice President? Kung meron man.
Pagdating ko doon sa Port Lord, Your Honor, sa office po kasi namin, meron pong talagang naka-duty na mga BPSPG.
Mhm.
So, nang naka-arrive na kami sa fourth floor, Your Honor, open ang car, tapos nakita ng BSPG na nag-action ako na kunin ang bag. Nakita nila na dili ko kaya. Tumulong po ang 2 BPSPG, Your Honor,
Mhm.
na ang bag makuha doon sa sasakyan, tapos ilagay namin sa trolley.
And then?
Tapos, sakay na kami, Your Honor, sa elevator na hindi tao ang sumasakay. Ano yung service elevator, Your
Service
Honor.
elevator.
Sakay
Okay,
na
now.
kami.
Saan nyo dinala yung pera?
Dinala ko po sa aking extension office, Your
Extension
Honor.
office. Yung 4 traveling bags.
Opo, Your
Now,
Honor.
ito yung tanong now, Madam Witness. Hindi po ba, noong November 25, 2024, Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability hearing, sinabi nyo dun, please show the TSN, that's right after encashment, pagkatapos pong ma-encash yung 125 million pesos, tinawagan mo sino?
CSO officer, Your Honor.
Colonel La
La
Chica.
Chica.
To quote, sinabi mo doon, you called him and you told him na eto na yung, ready na yung 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Sinabihan ko po siya, Your Honor, na na-encash ko na po ang cheque for the confidential funds.
Yes, ma'am. Question. Ikaw yung special disbursing officer. Ikaw yung nag-prepare ng confidential, yung physical financial plan. Hindi mo masabi kung empleyado ba. Hindi mo masagot-sagot yung napakasimpleng tanong kung empleyado ba si Colonel Lachica. The question is, why did you have to call Colonel Lachica to inform him, Colonel Lachica, ready na ang 125 billion pesos? Bakit?
Kasi po, may instruction po sa taas, Your Honor, ang aking head of agency na kung ma-encash ko po ang cheque, i-release ko po kay Sir Lachica, kinsa iyang gi-designate nga special officer po, a security officer po sa Office of the Vice President na siya i-order, Your Honor.
Okay, ma'am. Sabi mo, tinawagan mo si Colonel Lachica kasi yun yung utos ng head of agency. Siguro sa ating mga kababayan na hindi alam, sino ba? Sino ba ang head of agency na nag-utos sa'yo as the special disbursing officer na ibigay yung 125 million pesos in cold cash sa isang security officer, Colonel Raymond Dante Lachica?
Ang nag-utos po sa akin na i-release ang pera na 125M sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica ay si Ma'am Sara Duterte.
You turned over 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica precisely para siya yung mag-disburse ng 125 million pesos for the supposed confidential activities ng Office of the Vice President. Tama po ba?
Misleading, Your Honor.
What?
Why is it misleading, counsel?
Your Honor, the witness has yet to testify on anything
Uy.
that the
I'm leading her.
question is premised on, Your Honor.
Overruled, counsel. Witness said that she was instructed by the head of agency, the vice president, to give the money to, anong word ginamit niyo, ma'am? Transfer?
Release.
Release. To release the money to Colonel Lachica. Proceed, counsel.
Now, hindi po ba na nag-testify ka rin sa November 25, 2024 Committee on Good Government hearing na binigay mo yung 125 million pesos kay Colonel Lachica kasi si Lachica lang yung may alam, siya lang yung may alam on how to implement yung confidential activities. Di po ba?
Yes po.
Yes
Siya
po.
ang expert.
Oh, wait. You can explain po later, ma'am, ha? Okay,
Sorry
now.
po.
And you only came to know that Colonel Lachica knows how to implement the confidential activities. Nalaman nyo lang na si Colonel Lachica yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities precisely because yun yung sabi sa inyo ni VP Inday Sara Duterte. Tama po ba?
Kasi po ang
Wait,
security.
Ma'am, with all due respect po, pwede pong sagutin ng yes or no without explanation. Ma'am, I will allow you, pero pwede po bang sagutin po muna? Yes or no? I will allow you to explain.
Your Honor, the witness is answering, Your Honor. May the witness be allowed to finish her answer?
She already started answering, counsel. Let her answer and you can continue with your direct. Kindly answer, pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina.
ma'am.
Yung katanungan.
Your Honor, may I request to repeat the question, Your
Okay na.
Honor?
Ulit na lang po, Attorney
I will.
Ligutan.
Nalaman mo na si Colonel Lachica yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities. Kasi nga, yun yung sabi sa inyo ni VP Sara Duterte. Tama po ba?
Yes, siya po ang security officer na sinabi ni Vice Presidente.
Alright. Now, I'm showing you yung transcript, page 140 this time. Do we have it? Page 140. Tanong sa inyo, Representative Luiso, then why did you give all the money to Colonel Lachica? Yung sagot niyo was, because po may utos po ni Ma'am Inday Sara na sa kanya ko po i-release kasi siya po ang nakakaalam kung paano po i-implement ang mga programs and programs and activities in line po sa confidential activities. You confirm that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Madam, since si Lachica yung may alam paano i-implement yung project under confidential funds, siya din yung nag-implement ng mga confidential activities. This time, ma'am, hindi na 2022. This time, for 2023, correct?
Same question, Your Honor.
Okay, I will repeat the question. Since sabi mo, ipinabigay ni VP Sara yung pera kay Lachica kasi siya yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities. Okay, now, yung tanong is, si Colonel Lachica din, yung nag-implement ng lahat ng confidential activities, this time, ma'am, para sa taong 2023. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Tama
Honor.
po. Now, this is the question now. You will agree that handling tsaka yung pagdi-disperse ng 500 million pesos
500.
na pera ng bayan, ma'am, pondo ng bayan, hindi iyan trabaho ng isang security officer kagaya ni Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
Counsel, what's the objection?
Your Honor, the objection is grounded that it's argumentative and it calls for a conclusion, Your Honor.
Kindly modify, counsel. It is
Okay, now.
argumentative. You can modify and get
Yes,
the
ma'am.
response you want from the witness.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Now, Madam Witness, hindi po ba na base sa paragraph 3.27 ng Joint Circular 2015, please flash that one. Yun yung trabaho ng isang security officer. Refers to a personnel who by reason of his duty or employment has been officially designated to have access to security information. Tanong, andyan ba dyan nakasulat na po pwedeng yung isang security officer yung mag-i-implement ng confidential activities tsaka yung magdi-disburse ng confidential funds ng isang ahensya like the Office of the Vice President?
Same objection, Your Honor. Argumentative and calls for a conclusion.
If she knows, counsel, because she answered that she based her actions on based on JC 2015-1. Ma'am Gina, pakisagot po yung tanong. Bahagi po ba ng trabaho ng security officer ayon sa Joint Circular ang tumanggap ng confidential at mag-implement ng confidential funds?
Siya po ang may alam, siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad po ng confidential operation and activities, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang may access when it comes to national security, Your Honor.
Ayon po kanino, ma'am? Ayon sa Joint Circular, ayon sa interpretasyon nyo, o ayon sa utos sa inyo?
Ayon po sa Joint Circular, Your Honor.
Saan po sa Joint Circular? Alam niyo po?
At saka, ayon po sa utos ng head of agency kasi meron po siyang security officer na order, Your Honor.
Counsel, your witness.
Of course, iisa-isahin natin yan. Sinabi mo nasa Joint Circular, yung basihan, na po pwede yung security officer, okay, mag-disburse ng confidential funds. Ma'am, I will give you all the time you will need. Basahin. 2015 circular. Saan dyan? Saan dyan makikita yung sinasabi mong po pwedeng security officer yung maggasta, disburse ng confidential funds?
Your Honor, based po sa aking nalalaman sa GC, ako po ang Special Disbursing Officer. Ang gawain ko po, Your Honor, is to disburse. Pero ang pag-implement po ng mga confidential operation activities in related to confidential funds, yan po ay saklaw po sa trabaho po ng isang security officer kasi wala po akong alam. Hindi ako eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad ng various confidential activities or operations on the grounds, Your Honor.
Okay, I will tailor, I'll make this narrower. Yung pagdi-disperse, yung pagbabayad, paggagamit ng confidential funds, based sa circular, trabaho ba yan ng isang security officer?
As in answered, Your Honor.
Wala pa.
Overruled. Witness will please answer.
Ano po yan?
Trabaho po ba ng isang ng isang security officer yung paggamit ng confidential funds, pag-disburse ng confidential funds? Trabaho po ba yan based sa circular?
Basta ang trabaho ko, Your Honor, ako po ang disbursing officer, Your Honor. Ang pagpa-implement po ng various confidential activities in relation po sa confidential fund, Your Honor, ay saklaw po sa trabaho ng security officer, Your Honor. Kasi
Ma'am Gina.
confidential po yun, Your Honor.
Ma'am Gina, ang tanong po, trabaho ba ng security officer gastusin, i-release, ilabas yung confidential fund na dinisburse po ninyo? Kung
Ano?
oo po, saan sa joint circular nakalagay yun?
Ano yun, sir?
Trabaho po ba ng security officer gastusin yung nirelease yung confidential fund? Iba po yung implement. Siyempre, siya yung magagawa ng surveillance. Siyempre, siya po yung kukuha ng mga operative na sa intelligence. Pero yung paggastos po, trabaho po ba ng security officer gastusin yung dinisburse ninyong confidential fund?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Trabaho po yung ng disbursing officer, Your Honor. Pero, pag na-release ko na po ang pera sa kanya, Your Honor, pinareceive ko sa kanya, Your Honor, magbigay po siya sa akin ng utilization report, Your Honor. Yun po ang signed or evidence, Your Honor, na nagawa, na-implement na po niya, Your Honor, ang mga various confidential activities or operations, Your Honor, sa ground kasi siya po ang expert, Your Honor.
So sa pananaw po ninyo, ang ginamit niyo pong salita, release.
Yes,
Yung
Your Honor.
pag-release po nyo ng pera kay Colonel Lachica, dapat i-liquidate na po niya yun?
I-liquidate po niya, Your Honor, after po, matapos po ang pagpa-implement ng various confidential activities po sa ground, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor.
Pero siya po ang gumastos ng pera sa iba't ibang nakatanggap ng confidential fund. Tama po.
Ano yun, Your Honor?
Siya po ang gumastos ng pera at nag-abot ng pera sa iba't ibang pinagbigyan niya base sa intelligence at confidential operations niya. Tama po ba?
Siya po, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang may alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential operations activities, Your Honor. Kasi confidential po yun, Your Honor. Wala
Hindi po ba
akong
sang-ayon
alam.
sa joint circular, kayo dapat ang nagdi-disburse direkta sa beneficiary o recipient?
Hindi naman po sinabi, Your Honor, na ako ang magpunta doon sa ground, Your Honor. Kasi wala po akong alam, Your Honor, kung ipapatupad. Wala po akong security, wala po akong access, Your Honor, sa tinatawag na national security information, Your Honor.
Huling katanungan po kaugnay nito bago ko ipasa kay Attorney Lagutan. Sa pananaw niyo po ba, sa pag-release niyo kay Colonel Lachica, recipient si Colonel Lachica ng confidential fund o ginampanan po niya yung tungkulin niya sa pag-disburse lamang?
Nalibog ko. I'm sorry. I'm
Recipient po ba
confused.
si Attorney Lachica, si Colonel Lachica o tagapagbigay lang siya ng perang ni-release niyo sa kanya?
Wait.
Yung pera po ba'y tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica para sa sarili niya?
Hindi, Your Honor.
Tinanggap po niya para ipamigay sa ibang tao?
tinangka po niya, Your Honor, para po, Your Honor, sa mga gastusin in relation po sa pagpatupad ng confidential activities or operations, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang may alam, Your Honor, at saka confidential in nature po, Your Honor.
So sa pananaw po ninyo, hindi siya recipient, si Colonel Lachica.
Yun po ang explanation ko sa iyo kanina, Your Honor.
Hindi nga po siya recipient.
Dili, Your Honor.
Hindi. Okay.
Really is hindi. Now, you said,
Attorney
may I proceed,
Ligutan.
Your Honor? You said that you gave the 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica. Siya yung nag-disperse. Sabi mo kanina, una, kasi yun yung nakasulat sa Joint Circular 2015-01. And then, sabi mo, and that not only that, sinabi mo rin, kasi yun yung utos ng head of agency, si VP Inday Sara. Now, you were asked saan sa circular nakasulat na po pwedeng mag-disburse ng confidential funds. Isang security officer, hindi mo mahanap. Tama po ba? Tama
Ask
po ba,
and
ma'am?
answer,
Yes
Your
or no?
Honor.
Yes or no? This is a premise to the next question, Your Honor.
Witness may answer, counsel.
Yes or no?
Pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina. Kung hindi niyo po naunawaan, paulit niyo po yung
Wala
tanong.
sa circular 2015-01 nakasulat dyan na po pwedeng si Colonel Lachica as security officer yung mag-disburse ng confidential funds. Wala dyan. Wala dyan. Yes or no?
Wala, Your Honor.
So therefore, we are left with only the remaining reason why you gave the confidential funds to Colonel Lachica. Kasi yan. You said yung pangalawang rason.
Hindi, dalawang rason po ang ibig sabihin ko, sir.
Okay, ma'am, no question yet. Hindi po tayo nag-aaway.
Yes po.
You gave the 125 million pesos kasi utos ni VP Sara sa'yo. Tama po ba?
Isa po yan sa rason, sir.
Yes or no?
Ask and
Yes.
answer, Your Honor.
Despite nothing
Let the witness
in the
answer.
circular. Yes or no?
Argumentative and ask and
I
answer,
will
Your
ask the next
Honor.
question.
Please answer the question, Madam Witness. It's quite easy to answer.
Unsa to, sir?
Despite
Ano
not
po?
being in the circular na po pwedeng sila Chika yung mag-disburse ng confidential funds, binigay mo pa rin sa kanya. Tama po ba?
Dili na ko ihatag, Your Honor, kung wala siya gi-appoint nga security officer, Your Honor.
Or
That's
is
her
it-
interpretation, counsel.
Yes.
That's her interpretation and reason why she gave it to Colonel Lachica.
Or is it because you cannot dare question the Vice President's instruction?
Objection, Your Honor,
There's
argumentative.
more than
I
willing
would
to answer that.
sustain it because it was asked and answered already. She gave two reasons, counsel. Number one, that Colonel Lachica is the one who knows how to implement it. Tama po. And number two, dahil inutos sa kanya ng Vice President bilang head of agency. Tama po, Ma'am Gina?
Tama po, Your
Yun
Honor.
po yung dalawang rason ba't niyo binigay kay Colonel Lachica.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Now, Madam Witness, I'm showing you now a video, okay, where you said you entrusted the confidential funds in the amount of 125 million pesos to a security officer because the Vice President directed you to do so, and you merely complied. Can we play that?
Comply?
Wait po. Wala pa po. Wala pang question.
Sorry. Sorry po.
It's okay po. No need to be sorry po.
Counsel, you have 3 minutes. Is this your last
Yes, Your Honor.
question
Last
for the afternoon?
For this afternoon. Let's play it.
I think that's it, counsel.
Okay. We go. Which one? Okay. Let's go to a next video for this point, Your Honor, please. That is, can we show it?
$3 million po.
You were able to check if the items and the amounts provided in the object of expenditure Total to 125 million. You check that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tanong Miss Acosta, what gave you the confidence? Ano ang nagbigay sa inyo ng lakas ng loob na ibigay ang buong 125 million kay Colonel Lachica, considering that he is not the accountable officer? Because it is you who is the accountable officer.
May approval po kay Ma'am Inday Sara.
And without the approval of the Vice President, will you give that to Colonel Lachica?
Hindi po.
Do you know Colonel Lachica?
Yes po.
Okay. And lastly, last point, Your Honor, please. At TSN, page 137 of the TSN, marked as P1, PI 1G for the prosecution, please. That will be the last item for this afternoon for the prosecution. Show it, please. Do you trust Colonel Lachica, Representative Luistro, Acosta? I trust Lachica. I trust Lachica kasi ginatrust po siya ng aking head of office, Inday Sara. Representative Luistro, in other words, the only reason why you're giving your trust to Colonel Lachica is because of the instruction of the Vice President. Ms. Acosta, yes ma'am. Luistro, tama mo ba? Acosta, yes ma'am. Luistro, without the instruction of the Vice President, you will never give the entire amount of the 125 billion pesos to Colonel Lachica. Ms. Acosta, what was your answer to that question?
Nadya, sir.
Basahin mo.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be all for the prosecution this afternoon.
But you will still continue with your direct tomorrow, Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thereafter, we will proceed with the cross of counsel for respondent. Ma'am Gina, pansamantala po ko yung pagpapaliban, yung inyong testimonya. Balik po kayo bukas, ha?
Opo, Your Honor.
Kung maaari po, yan ang nasa bisa pa rin ng parehong sabi ng inisyo po namin para po hanggang sa bukas. Para ipagpatuloy po nyo inyong testimonya sa hukumang ito.
Yes,
Okay
Your
po, ma'am?
Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. You're excused, ma'am. Pwede na po kayong
Salamat
bumaba
po.
sa
Salamat
witness
po.
stand. Just for some administrative matters, the court is in receipt of a 13 August letter of Mr. Lemuel Ortonio asking for leave or to be excused from attending the hearing this week because he is going to take a scheduled psychologist licensure exam administered by the PRC. Given that we are not yet through with Ms. Gina Acosta, and we still have witness Eduardo Fajarda. Court finding merit in the request and good faith on the part of Ortonio hereby grants the request of Mr. Ortonio so that he can take his licensure exam this week. The court will, however, inform him in advance that we will be issuing a subpoena for him to attend this hearing on Monday after he shall have taken his licensure exam. And a second matter, for the information of the senator, judges, and the parties, the clerk of court has completed the comparison of the acknowledgement receipts marked as exhibits by both parties. Based on the acknowledgement receipts so far submitted, it appears that there are 3,616 common acknowledgement receipts, 2,666 pertaining to the Office of the Vice President, and 950 pertaining to the DepEd. All ARs are marked by the counsel for the respondent, have corresponding ARs from the panel of prosecutors. We note, however, that out of the total of 4,492 acknowledgement receipts of the prosecution, 876 have no counterpart acknowledgement receipts from the respondent. We shall be furnishing both parties with a copy of the clerk of court's findings as well as the senator judges for your information and reference. Forgive us, given the inclement weather, we will be adjourning session early in the Senate also by instruction of the Senate President. That's why we're adjourning trial again also a bit earlier today. We will see you tomorrow unless trial is canceled or unless session is canceled due to inclement weather. For the meantime, there being no other business to be taken up, trial is hereby adjourned until tomorrow, August 18, at 10 o'clock in the morning.